Hey, to turn on and set up Do Not Disturb mode on the Pixel 8a, first of all open the settings, then you will have to navigate into the notifications and now scroll until you find the Do Not Disturb mode. Open it, and first of all you can actually customize it. So first you can set what can interrupt. So you get people and apps and also alarm and other interruptions. So in the people you can select between messages and the calls. So now you can actually, you will actually get interrupts from start contacts or from priority conversations. But you can unselect them and no one will be able actually to interrupt you through with the messages. But you can also pick from specific contacts by going here. The same it looks for the phone calls. In my case, I'm going to turn off calls, and also there's option that is called allow repeat callers. So if the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period, you will actually get this call. But I'm gonna turn it off. Then we can find apps. So there's like no apps selected, but if you still want to receive notifications from specific apps, so let's say from the Gmail, you can for sure do this. Then we can go back and we can find alarms and other interruptions. So decide what you want to turn on and off. Next, we can find some schedules. As you can see, we got the two defaults, the sleeping and the event. Of course, you can turn on the multiple schedules at the one time, and you can add more of them. There's the event, there's the time, and there's the driving. So if you want to create the new one, you can click here, select event, give it the name, click add, and now we can customize it to your own preferences. Then when you go back, we can also find the duration. So until we manually turn it off for specific time, like maybe 5 hours, or you will actually get this question every time. Then you can also display options for hidden notifications, like no sound from notifications, no visuals or sound from the notifications, or you can set the custom. Then I'm going back from this one, and that's basically it for the Do Not Disturb mode on the smartphone. Now all you have to do is just to turn it on, click here, and when it's turned on, you can find this icon in the right upper corner. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.